Temu has makeup mystery boxes and I just got mine. My husband actually chose this for me because I wanted this to be a mystery. The price for this mystery box is $20 and we have 10 products. I'm super excited to see what we have. It feels like a box. Maybe it is something like a gift set. Moment of truth. Oh, okay. The box is super pretty. Here we go. Dear's makeup gift box. Oh, and we also have a paper bag. Very nice touch, so you can also give it like this to someone. Oh, it is like a drawer. The packaging is very well designed. Let's finally see what we have. It's super pretty. No, we have some casualties. Why, dude? Why? In every video. I'm really curious what it is. Ta-da! Oh my god, it's huge! And it says Dear's Air Cushion. Okay. We have a mirror, the cushion sponge, and this is our product. More tweezers. Found one. I'm curious if this is my shade. It's weird that we have a complexion product. It looks very light for me. And I'm gonna use all of the products on my face as well. Now let's go to this powder thing. It says Dear's Loose Powder. Oh no, it is scratched. Why? Oh, we also have a powder puff. It feels very soft. ASMR moment. This looks like a translucent powder. Okay, let's go now to the eyeshadow palette. It is so tiny. Dun dun dun. We have just 2 eyeshadows and it's called an eyeshadow palette. These 2 colors match very well. Sniffing test. It smells, how can I explain this? Like Play-Doh. And again, it is so scratched. Let's go to the third product, and this one here looks like a liquid lipstick, or maybe it is a concealer. And this is also scratched. It matches the foundation very well. It smells like perfume and baby powder together.
Lovely.
After that, we have something that looks like a lipstick and it says subscribe. I'm joking, but you can also subscribe. Ooh, very bougie. And we have a red lipstick. Oh no. It has a fingertip. Why?
This is disgusting.
So let's hope for a better looking product. Maybe it is an eyeliner? No, it is this type of mascara again. We can see that the logo is fading. It's the theme of the video. Again, so far this unboxing is a disaster. What do you think? I'm very curious about this product and it also looks super cute. Okay, so we have some glue here. I'm guessing this is an eyeliner? Moment of truth. Yeah, it's an eyeliner. Oh, it is almost scentless. Not bad. It is very pigmented. I really like the cap. Oh, what is going on here? We have some glitter stuck at the bottom. This is not promising.
Oh boy.
Yeah, it smells like glue. I really don't know what is this product. Shake it. Let's swatch it. Oh my god. Is it a liquid eyeshadow? I guess we'll never know. It seems like I made a mistake and we have 9 products instead of 10. Okay, so let's remove this. Maybe this is a lip liner. Let's find out. Oops. And I think the color is gonna match me very well. And maybe this is the only product that is not scratched. Makeup goals. Testing time. So let's start with the cushion foundation. Do you think the color is gonna match me? Oh, okay. This is gonna take a while. Oh boy, it smells so bad. god! Is this the cushion? Is this the foundation? Oh, it's the cushion. The cushion is really bad. It is like I'm using a stone on my face. So the foundation with one layer doesn't really have coverage. Let's see if it works with this. It's like I'm not applying a lot of product. I can still see a lot of my redness. It looks very natural, which is great, but it's not my shade and it gives ghost vibes. The packaging was faulty, so I'm gonna give it 3 stars. Concealer time, and I don't think this is gonna match me as well. Ooh, that's so light. At least it matches the color of the foundation. It doesn't fully cover some discoloration that I have, and it blends so nicely. It also gives like a smoothing effect that is unexpected. So this is with concealer and without. I'm gonna give it 4 stars because it is scratched, but the actual product is not bad. I'm very surprised. I really like that we have a powder in this mystery box, and I'm going to use the powder puff that comes with. I can't wait to see how it looks, but it doesn't move. I'm gonna continue with my brush. For some reason, I can see some lines of powder here. The powder makes the foundation very splotchy. It gives texture, which is weird. I'm not a huge fan of the powder. I'm gonna give it 2 stars. I did some digging and I found that this weird product is actually a liquid highlighter. I am still very scared to use this product. It smells like glue. Here we go. I need to blend it out very fast because it dries fast. Blend, 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 blend. Now, if you like glittery highlighters, it's not that bad. I'm gonna give it 1 star because I don't think this is safe to use on your face. I think the brow pencil is gonna be a W. I have high expectations. Oh, the consistency is really nice. The color is a little bit reddish, and I really like the tip of it because it's not so stiff or very creamy, and you can fill in your brows so easily. So I'm gonna give it 4 stars. I'm really curious about the eyeshadows. It's not easy to transfer it with my brush. I'm gonna use the little sponge tip applicator that they gave us. Oops, I applied a lot and it is a lot more visible, but it's not very blendable. The consistency is very weird. It is like patty. Oh, it smells so bad, like Play-Doh. Let's go to the brown shade. Okay, that actually looks very nice. I really like these 2 shades together. Something very interesting is happening with my eyeshadow. It looks like I hit pan. I'm curious if... Oh no! This is metal! I found metal in my eyeshadow. That's really dangerous. Oh my god. This eyeshadow palette gets 0 stars. Let's continue with the dangerous testing, as it seems. I'm taking now the eyeliner. I would prefer if the tip was more flexible because it's not easy to create a thin line. But I like that it is very saturated in color. I don't know how I'm gonna fix this eye. It looks terrible. I think it looks nice on the eyes. The line is very smooth and I like that it is a very intense dark color. I'm gonna give it 3 stars. The mascara really worries me. Let's go to the lower lashes. You need a few layers to make it noticeable. And for the upper, it is just coating the lashes. It does absolutely nothing. I'm so disappointed. I'm gonna give it 1 star. The quality of the products is very questionable today, so I'm gonna give the mystery box 1 star. Drop in the comments how many stars you are giving to the mystery box, and make sure to watch this video as well.